Hi viewers. So in this video we are going to start exercise 12.2 question number 13 is we can say it is important question of this exercise and second last question. So let's see this question here. A round table covered has 6 equal design as shown in figure 12.14, 12.14 we have figure here 12.14, isn't it? So if the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate 0.35 per centimeter square, root 3 equals to 1.3. So we have a design here, isn't we have a circle. In a circle we have 6 equal design, 1 2 3 4 5 6 equal design we have here, and the radius of the each design we have 28. So we join all the design, then we get 6 sector here from the center, and the radius of each sector we have 28 centimeter. So what we need to do, find out one design, thereafter we multiply 6 design, so then we get the area of all 6 design there. So here we can write here in 13 question, central angle equals to 360, isn't it? Angle of each sector we have 360 upon 6. Why? Because we have 6 sector here, therefore we divide 360 angle by 6, isn't it? So we get sector angle, we can say theta equals to 60 degree, isn't it? Now if we are talking about this triangle, if we need to find the ACB, so what should we do? We subtract area of sector from, triangle from area of triangle OAB from area of sector, isn't it? Then we can easily find out ACB. ACB, what is here? ACB we can say segment, and it is a one design, isn't it? So here in triangle AOB, OA equals to OB. Why? Because both are radius of a circle, or each radius of a circle must be equal, isn't it? So OA equals to OB, 28 centimeter, and we know very well in theorem in class 9 we can say angle A equals to angle B. Why? Because opposite sides of equal angle. So we apply here angle sum property in triangle AOB. Angle A plus angle B plus 60, angle A plus angle B plus 60 equals to 180, and we use here angle A equals to angle B. So in place of B we put angle A, isn't it? So if we put angle A, then we will get here angle A plus angle A equals to 180 minus, we shift 6 to the other side, isn't it? So we will get here angle A plus angle A equals to 180 minus 60. Finally 2 angle A equals to 180 and angle A equals to 180 over 2 equals to 60 degree. So angle A and angle B equals to 60 degree because angle A angle B are equal. So each angle of we have here 60 degree. So we can say it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore triangle AOAB is an equilateral triangle, isn't it? So now we know the formula of area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle OAB equals to root 3 over 4 side square. After putting the value side, what is side here? Side is as a radius of circle we can say. So we put the side here. So after solving this problem, we have got here 333.2 centimeter is the area of equilateral triangle. Now next what we need to do? area of sector, we can say area of sector equals to theta over 360 pi r square. We know very well about that. So we put here the value. What is the value of theta? 60 degree, and the value of we have 322 over 7. Value of r we have 28 whole square. So we write here 2 times. So after solving, we will get here 1232 over 3 centimeter square. Now we need to find out the area of segment ACB. So what should we do? In sector AOBC, subtract of triangle AOB. So here we can write here area of segment APB equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Then we put the value. After subtracting, we will get here. After subtracting, we will get here. Not subtracting. Therefore, area of this 6 design. Now area of 6 design. We find the area of 6 design, multiply the area of 1 design, isn't it? So after multiplying, we will have here finally answer of area of design 6 design 464.8 centimeter square. But we need to find out here cost of all designs. So we can write therefore cost of making such design equals to area multiple rate. And what is the value of area? We have here 464.8, and the rate we have here 0.35. After multiplying, we got the rupees here 162.68. This is question number 13. It is an important question of this exercise, and we can say second last question of this exercise. Now move to next question, question number 14. In question number 14, we have take the correct answer in the following. Area of sector of angle P of circle with radius R is. So we need to find out here area of sector, isn't it? So generally we know the formula of area of sector. We have theta over 360 pi r square. So in this question we have angle P degree. So we can write here P over 360, and the radius we have here capital R. Now let's see any part of this in 4 parts. So first part we have P over 182 multiple pi r square. Second part we have P over 180 pi r square. Third part we have P over 362 pi r. And last one part we have P over 720 multiple 2 pi r square. So this is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Why? Because if we put here D part, if we talking about D part here, P over 720 multiple 2 pi r square. 2 cancel out 360 times of 720. So we will get here this is the area of sector. So we can say D part is correct. So we have done exercise 12.2. This is the last question of this exercise. Next video we will discuss 12.3. Thanks for watching this video.